Introducing THENA 101, veTHE Automation. Your quick guide to setting up and managing voting automation introduced in the v3.3 upgrade. First, navigate to veTHE Automation settings. On THENA main page, hover over the dashboard section and select the veTHE option from the pop-up window. Then click on Add Automation for your preferred veTHE position. On the Create Automation page, you'll find everything you need to know before proceeding, including the required veTHE position with claimed rebase and approximate link amount in your wallet. Minimum link deposit will cover automation for several months, depending on gas costs and your automation settings. Let's move to the initial setup. You can choose to auto-claim rebase and relock veTHE each week. This frees you from the most tedious part of veTHE management, especially useful for long-term holders. Next, set your weekly execution time. It's best to schedule it on Tuesdays. This ensures rebase is claimed, veTHE relocked, and ready for upcoming Epoch flip. In the next step, set up your voting automation. Select the pools you want to vote for and assign custom weights if needed. This makes your veTHE voting fully automated, perfect if you vote for the same pools regularly or plan to go offline. If you prefer to vote manually, just skip this step. Finally, review your setup. Check your preferences and top up link if needed. Once everything looks good, click on Create Automation and approve the following transactions. Once your automation is set, head over to the dashboard, choose veTHE, and click on Automation Details in the pop-up window. Here, you'll find a complete summary of your veTHE automation, along with full voting history. To manage your setup, navigate to Automation Settings in the top right. You can deposit more funds, edit preferences, pause, or cancel your automation at any time. That's it! Your weekly veTHE routines are now automated. Enjoy your DeFi summer with THENA and Chainlink.